friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is chili pickle. So let's get started. For this we require 200 grams of chilies. Cut it in this way. There's another method of cutting which is very quick, that is through the scissors. It is simple and easy to do it. And very quick too. Then heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and just give it a toast. Then add 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Toast for a minute so that all the water content gets off. When it is dried, it will make the pickle to stay for 3 to 4 months. You can hear a little sound while toasting it. After cooling it down, we are going to grind it in this way. Make sure it is not in a powder form. Then add turmeric half a teaspoon, Asafetida 1 teaspoon. Then we will add the grinded mixture. Just give it a mix. Add 4 tablespoons of vinegar to it. Then add pink salt 1.5 teaspoon. You can even use the normal cooking salt. Then add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Even you can use sesame oil. Mix it all together really well. Our chili pickle is now ready. This chili pickle is healthy, but overdose is harmful. This pickle is actually instant chili pickle. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.